My beautiful friends, how are you all doing? Hope you farmed Tomarket or the tomato airdrop. I had a link on my group. Some of my followers joined. I personally didn't take it that serious because I've got a lot of things I'm farming that are taking my time. Okay, but in this video I'm going to show you how to get yourself ready for the snapshot happening on the 2nd of September. That is just in a few hours from now. First, ensure to complete today's task. Okay, the first thing you would want to do will be to tap here twice, and then you tap on this one twice, so that unlocks your reward. Click on open. After that, you can click on this to play the drop game. Okay, and the way this is played is simple. Just keep tapping on the red tomatoes that are dropping, and that's how to play it. Okay, and there is something to actually avoid this black one, this guy, avoid it. Okay, and that's how to play this one. After playing, you're gonna get some points, collect your points, and finish all your tickets. And then after that, you can go to the tax section to complete your tax. If you've not connected your wallet, well, I'm going to show you how to do that in a jiffy. But what you can do now is to add an emoji, a tomato emoji, to your TG name. Okay, you can start doing that, and then you can complete the other ones, okay, that you've not done, the other tags that are here. Okay, and then after that, you can go to the wallet section, click on wallet, okay, and that's going to bring you here. Connect your wallet. It's pretty simple to do. Once you click on the link to connect wallet, it's going to direct you to download the Bybit wallet. Okay, and once you've got it downloaded, the wallet is pretty much going to look like this. Okay, this is how it is going to look. Now there is this message that some people are getting. I actually didn't get it. Some are getting this message that if you connect your wallet, your Bybit wallet, and you leave at least $1 in assets in the wallet, you might receive a special something after September the 2nd. Okay, so I didn't get this message, maybe because I didn't earn enough. But if you got this message, you can go ahead to at least have $1 worth of assets in your Bybit wallet. Okay, the connected wallet. I'm going to show you how to do this now. So what you can do is go to your connected wallet, the Bybit wallet, go to the wallet section, click on that. That's going to bring you here. What you can do is to transfer any asset, at least $1 worth of any asset that you've got anywhere. Maybe you've got $1 worth of Ton coin in your Tonkeeper wallet, or maybe in your Bybit account or Bitget, wherever you've got that asset. Okay, what you need to do is to send it over to this place. Okay, so let me show you an example. Let's say I want to send Ton over to this place. What I can do is I want to send this over to this place. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the receive section. I'm going to click on that. That's going to bring me over to this place. So I'm going to select the asset I want to receive. I want to receive Ton, so I'm going to search Ton. Okay, and you can see I've got Ton coin displayed here. This is Ton on Ethereum. No. Okay, I need to transfer Ton on the Ton mainnet. Okay, this is the network I'm using because I want to send it over from my Tonkeeper wallet. So the network is going to be Ton network. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. There's an instruction for me to back up my secret recovery phrase. I've not even done it yet. I've been so busy. Okay, I'm going to do this later. Let me show you how to do this now. So I'm going to click on the copy button. My wallet address is copied. Okay, notice I am sending Ton coin to this wallet, and the network is going to be the Ton network. So on my Tonkeeper wallet, I've got this much. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on send. My wallet is pasted. Now I'm going to click on continue. Okay, I want to send about let's say $2. Okay, so let me send $2 worth of Ton. So I'm going to click on the continue button, and I'm going to confirm this transaction. Now it is done. As you can see right here, it is being sent, about 0.37 tons sent to that wallet. Now after a while, it reflected. Okay, as you can see pretty much here on my wallet. Okay, so let's say the token you want to receive in here is not even in your Tonkeeper wallet. Maybe it is on the Bybit exchange. Again, what you can do is to go to this right here, go to the wallet section and click on the receive button. Okay, now we're going to search the token. Okay, let's say it is USDT, so let's search USDT. Now, as we can see here, USDT is displayed, but you need to pay attention to the networks. This is very important. For example, if you select this one, the network is going to be the Ethereum mainnet. If you select this one, the network is going to be the Bitcoin network. I usually prefer selecting the TRC20. You can go with this one right here, the Tron mainnet. So click on that, copy this, go to your exchange. For example, the Bybit exchange, go to the wallet section, click on withdraw. If you click on that, it is going to display the assets you've got in your funding wallet. If you don't have the assets you want to withdraw in your funding wallet, then you would have to transfer either from unified to funding. Okay, so click on this right here. Now paste the address here. After pasting it, the next would be to select the network. Remember, it was Tron, so we would have to select TRC20. Okay, and then after selecting that, key in the quantity you want to send over and click on the withdraw button, and obviously it is going to reflect in your BitGet wallet. Don't forget, make sure that the network selected on BitGet tallies with the network selected on your Bybit or BitGet exchange. It is pretty simple. If you've got questions on this, let me know in the comments.